Ignatius Besisira atwire na rwara umutima na pressure kandi abanyabuzare basima government okumusima ahabwe emirimo yakozere na nokusharamu kumuzika
tukusima government prime minister vice president cabinet yona okinisa honorable Mary Grace Mugasakiki omuntu waitu hano omubito kati abokuchwa mungu mugenzi bamusendekereze omukinisa kine kihanga.
We were members of parliament together. He has died when we were both members of commission. He is a member of local government finance commission. I'm a member of education service commission.
Jennifer Chumuhendo Mbabazi omunyishenjero kazi wa district ya Kagadi kandi orukora kachika ko kuzika nagira ngo entebe kanisa zahwire kandi okuzika ninyenchakade
nyendo kubaza kwa byo no kusima buri omwe abasize kuyijana insima government yitu ya NRM kandi nisima president wihanga oyistinisa president Yoweri Kaguta Museveni abo kwikiriza kwereza official burial omushisha omukwata gabo kana omushisha koriri hangeri honorable witu atarieba.
Gerard Businge mutabano wa Besisira asimire emirimo yishebo yakozere na nuko bakoza bari abekambi.
Our father was very dedicated to helping his community to grow, to improve, but also he believed strongly in development and education. He was very passionate about education and development. He believed highly that education can bring people out of helpless situations, but also he was very keen on individual initiative.
Kandi bari omwebembezi akatandikira hansi ari kansara ya rugaho yaba MP wechoka buyaga East kandi ya rugaho na hati ya fari omwebembezi aruko hereza akachiko akaroko government finance commission
ferira hamyaka nkaga na mwenda y'obukuru omuzicho mukuru natekatekwa okuba President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni
kwara abase kudelegatinga nacho tukisimira ruhanga konka abantu bakagabi of course bo bamutegereze
amakuru agagasha kwa Thomas Tumwebazi.